Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. Or go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it on so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. Yes, it's not free. You pay $10 per month, but believe me, within one signal from us, you're going to back that $10 you pay. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see over here, the daily candle is finished here. It gives us here a red candle here. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you. Look at it here. Look at the market, what it given us today. It gave us here that red candle here. Why? Because a feed member, I don't know from where, he came today and he said they are going to increase more interest rate. That's why we see a redness happening today and US dollar is continuing upward. So now at that level here, what we got now, look with me here, that green candle here, you go to the top of it, you put that line on the lower of it, that line like that, and we're waiting what the market or where the market is going to break. If we're breaking above here, that means we're going to enter long. If it's breaking down here, that means more blood is going to enter to that market. So till now we're still waiting. Today, as majority of you know, today Jerome Powell is going to talk. So let's see what he's going to say. There is rumors is coming from Wall Street. It's saying that Jerome Powell today is going to say they are not going to increase more interest rate or a little bit not tight like how it used to be before. So let's wait in and see what he's going to say. But last time, if you remember when he talked, he made the Bitcoin to fall down a lot. But let's hope now what the market going to tell us in the coming hours. But here everything's still telling us we are falling down more than that. Now the market tried to give us here like a small flag. I showed it to you yesterday in 4 hours and we are going there and I'm going to show it to you. So here people they've been with me, us we buy from here, from that candle here. Second time we buy from here, third time from here. Now the fourth time me I'm waiting as I've been teaching you 25% from your capital. If it fall down here, may I got a pending order, look at it at that low here or the tail of the candle here. Another thing very important I want to show it to you here in the daily or clarify a little bit for you, picture to be more clear to you. We came here, we're changing that one here from candles to lines like that, and let me show you something else. We put in here a comparison between the Bitcoin and the DXY. As you see guys, every time when the Bitcoin is crossing the DXY, we see a jump, and when it's crossing below or the DXY crossing above, we see a falling down in Bitcoin. As you see it here, all those times, look at it. Now also we're crossing below. The only thing now, the Bitcoin, when it's falling down, it doesn't fall down by power, but now also we're crossing below, and even in the 200 moving average also we're crossing below. Now the only thing now I'm waiting that one here. Look at it, that for the DXY, let me take it off the Bitcoin and show it to you. The only thing now I'm waiting because look at it, in the DXY also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. We came to it here. Now maybe from here we're going to see a drop from US dollar or DXY. That possible, but tell not DXY it's showing to us also we are in a sideways market. He gave us here a low. Now he go back here. Let's see if he's going to break that last high here or no, or he's going to fall down to give us another low. So everything till now it's still looking the same, nothing was changed. Now let's go into see coming news for today guys, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today, as I tell it to you, is going to come Jerome Powell 2 o'clock GMT time. He's going to appear a little bit in a forum but all the people, they are waiting what he going to say, because what he going to say is going to move the market either up or either down. All of us, we know he doesn't have nothing to say. The only thing, he need to calm down investors, for investors to go out from that scareness. Because as you see, if we go here to our table, the one we're looking at it every day here, look at it here, what it's telling you today. After we being green, everything is falling down today. And down here, if you see our friend the VIX, even that one, it go back up from 15 to 17.20. That must currency go back high, because about one other Fed member of another city in USA, he came, he said they will increase more interest rate. That way we saw currencies go back up, and even US dollar today, it make a new high 104. But as I show you in the chart of the DXY, also we are in a new high, but we are in a very stronger resistance or supply and demand zone, name it whatever you want. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours, for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what as we said in yesterday video, tell it to you like that. I told you we got here a very clear flag in 4 hours, and even in the thumbnail of the video we put it that flag like that. As you see it, the only thing now, we came down here and the Bitcoin it show here a strength here in that level. Now what shall we do here? Because of that pattern we got here, now one we need to wait it if it's going to break here, going to enter long, or it's going to break down here, we're going to enter short. Because as I've been teaching you, me I don't follow that line here as a flag, me I follow like that as a phase here. As you remember, that's a phase here, that's the phase, that's another phase of the market, and that one here is a normal move. So now let's wait and where it's going to break. If it's breaking above here, that's when the market is going to reverse. If it's breaking down here, that means it's going to continue downward. So till now also we stay waiting where the market is going to break either up or either one, because that one here is the third phase, guys. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you. The third phase, it's always the market, it's reversing from it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying. So let's go in there. That one here, as you see it, we be in here at extreme oversold area. Now we started recovering, we came here. Now the market is showing to us maybe it's going to go back here down, or maybe from here it's going to go back up, because as you remember in yesterday analysis what I told you, we came with the wheel like that. I told you we got here an uptrend at the divergence, while also we enter long before. Now also we wait, and either that one is going to fall down to touch that one here, then after that to go back up, or it's going to fall down to the oversold area, then after that it will go back up. Till now also we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in the coming hours. Everything still in front of you guys. The only thing now, also we still in a bear market. There is no bulls here till we breaking above here. Till now we haven't breaking, so also we still waiting till the right time, guys. Now there is no bulls yet in the market. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing, nothing was changed. As you see it, our indicator is down here. As me I show you, we got here that phase here. Now also we still waiting if it's going to break above here or down here. Till now we got here a sideways channel, and let me show you the market phases, because that one here where we are is the third phase, guys. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you. Look with me here, that the first phase here, as you see it. Second one is it here at that level here, and the third one is it here. So market it's always in the third phase, it's reversing. As you see that the third phase where we are. Now let's wait in what's going to happen, because as you see guys, if you came and you connecting those ones like that, maybe from here we're going to go back up, or the market will fall down and give us a fourth phase here. Till now everything still looking the same, nothing new here. So also we still waiting where is the market is going to break. So everything is too clear guys here. Now let's go into see 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter along yesterday because we break in here, till up here, market is showing here a short. Me haven't entered in it, let me be honest with you, but we'll have you enter when it's breaking that trend line here. Today, just now we enter along because of the break here. That candle here, we're breaking here, that double bottom. Let me show it to you. As you see, the market gave us here a triple bottom here and one candle here, that one here. It's breaking the neckline here, that one here. We enter along, we put stop loss down here because that's what us we believe in. We believe in maybe the market will go back up till here. Till now the market showing here maybe it's going to reject down. And another thing here, because that one, for those ones they enter with me long, if the market fall down, it's going to give us here a head and shoulder like that. Look at it, like that. The neckline of that one is going to be like that. You came here and you're doing like that. That's how it's going to be. If that market fall down like that, I'm breaking down here the neckline, I'm going to close the long and I'm going to enter a short, guys. So till now, us we still waiting. The long we just enter in it. Till now, it's showing to us maybe the market it will reverse. If it's reverse, stop loss of us here. If it's hitting for us stop loss, we're going to enter a short. Then we put in stop loss maybe here or somewhere. Take profit is going to be more down. I'll show you before how to measure it. You just came like that and you do it. Let me tell you why me I enter. Because of our indicator. Our indicator is it down here at the oversold area. Level us we are in a very, very, very stronger level. I'll show it to you before in yesterday video. Third thing, it gave me here a triple bottom here. As you see it, to see it very clear, put it to line chart and it's going to be very, very, very clear. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.